Good morning people, my name is Bill J. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix your Xbox 360 controller. First thing, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws you have to take out. And then you open it, and then you should plug these. You should plug this and this one. It is here. And then you take it out. And then you open this and put a lot of perfume in there. I'm not going to put, but you put it so it will be fixed. And then you dry it with this. You let it dry and then you should be ready to play. And if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like and ring that little bell, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.